In this solution video, we'll go over the steps necessary to create a role to attach to an EC2 instance. For creating a role, we need to go into IAM. IAM is under Security, so let's scroll down and select IAM from Security, Identity, and Compliance. Once in Identity and Access Management, we have to select Roles. Once we're in Roles, we create a role. We leave the initial selection of an AWS service and select EC2, and then we click Next to select our permissions. Searching on S3 brings up the S3 options. Remember, I wanted you to choose between full access and read-only access. I'm going to pick full access. You could pick either one and then click Next. Although I didn't mention adding in tags, you could add in tags to identify what we have created. Next, we'll review and we'll add in the role name. For the name of the role, I wanted you to name it S3 Access, and then click Create Role should create this role called S3 Access. You may have to scroll to the bottom in your screen, but at the bottom, under Roles, you should see your actual role, S3 Access. Now, if you don't have an EC2 instance to attach this role to, then that's as far as you can go. Assuming you do have an EC2 role, let's attach this role to a select instance. Back up the services, selecting EC2, and then Instances. I don't have any instances in this region, but if I go over to Oregon, I should have a couple of instances. Highlighting the instance, right-clicking, and select Instance Settings is where we can add or replace the IAM role. Opening up the menu, we can see that the only role we have available is S3 Access. That's the one we want. Let's apply it. And the operation has succeeded. Hopefully my steps match up with your steps with adding in a custom role for access to S3 for an EC2 instance.